Hey friends, come spend the day with me. So I had to start the day off by getting my hair done. You already know Camille Collection on the hair every time, period. So my sister laid this wig down for me. It was a reinstall because my wig was tore the heck up. But she hooked it up for me, as you can see, period. You see it's giving scalp, okay? And then after that, I went on a little ride to Walmart with my dad. And I needed to get some grocery shopping done. If you know me, the grocery store is literally like my safe haven. I will spend hours in there just shopping. I love shopping. As you can see, I spent like a load of money. So I wanted to make dinner today. I was really feeling to make like a variation of collard greens, but I chose to make it with kale instead. And I wanted to make some ribs. So I'm trying something different. I want to try to make collard green style kale. So I'm praying that these 2 bags is going to be enough. I'm nervous. We got the ribs in the oven. I already got the meat boiling down on the stove. We put some turkey tail and a turkey drum to go inside of this. And I'm going to start the macaroni and cheese. So this is how the kale came out. It tastes so good. It smells so good in here. And then I made a homemade barbecue sauce. Yes, it got messy in here. So don't judge. Next I'm about to put the macaroni inside. And I'm just about to put the ribs back inside the oven. So we'll be back. And as always, I'm going to put my foot in everything that I make, period. Overall, it was a great weekend. How was your weekend? Make sure you comment below.